In this question, we have to find the value of x, and it is given that x cube plus 1 equals to 0. So let us use this identity. A cube plus b cube equals to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Here a is x and b is 1, as 1 can be written as 1 cube. So let us use this identity. So after using this simple identity, we get x plus 1 into x square plus 1 square minus x into 1 equals to 0. As a result, we can simplify this. Since 1 square is 1, so this can be written as x square plus 1 minus x. On this side is x plus 1 equals to 0. Since this product is 0, so one of them should be equals to 0. So from here we get x plus 1 equals to 0, or we can rewrite this as x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. From here we get x equals to negative 1, and in order to find zeros of this polynomial we need to use method of completing the square. If you don't know how to use method of completing the square, then I will put a link in the description. Just go through and check how to solve such equation. So method is however very simple. Just transfer 1 to the right side. It becomes x square negative x equals to negative 1. Now note the coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is negative 1. So basically we have to add half of the coefficient of x, half of the square of coefficient of x on both sides. So since coefficient of x is negative 1, so half of the coefficient of x is negative half. So we need to add square of negative half on both sides. So our left side becomes x minus 1 over 2 whole square, because we are using identity a square plus b square minus 2ab, and our right side becomes negative 1 plus 1 over 4. After solving this, we get minus 3 over 4, and this side is x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Taking square root on both sides, we have x minus 1 by 2 equals to plus minus square root of negative 3 over square root of 4 is simply 2. So we get x equals to 1 by 2 plus minus square root of negative 3 is simply square root of 3 times of iota over 2. So other roots are x equals to 1 plus root 3 times of iota over 2, and one root is x equal to 1 minus square root of 3 times of iota over 2. Here, instead of using method of completing the square, we can also use quadratic formula. However, I feel this method is super easy and easy to understand. However, I recommend you just go through quadratic formula. I will put a link in the description. And if there is any problem in method of completing the square, then you can solve this by using quadratic formula also. Thank you. Hopefully all of you are able to understand this. However, if there is any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.